Let's talk about the timeline of the alerts that were issued in Kerr County. We know a flood watch was first reported Thursday afternoon. 12 hours later, forecasters issued the first flash flood warning. Notices calling for evacuations came at 4 a.m. when so many were asleep. By 4:20, the National Weather Service said the Guadalupe River had reached major flood stage. Now, there are questions about whether perhaps staffing cuts and budget cuts affected the ability of the National Weather Service to potentially save more lives. But tonight, we're hearing from the NWS in their own words, a rep saying they were properly staffed for this emergency.
The staffing that we had in both San Angelo and San Antonio offices, we had adequate amount of staff to get out the alerts and warnings to the public. The flood warning was issued 12 hours in advance of the event.
That's Tom Fahey, who says cell phone and weather access is limited in that part of the hill country, so he believes sirens along the river would be helpful in future emergencies.